Okay, we have a little unboxing here. I just received this little package from China, less than a week from China to Europe. Really fast shipping. This is regarding the watch I ordered, an automatic watch. Oh yeah, it's called OLEVS. OLEVS. I have a couple of watches, not OLEV watches. This will be my first one. I have different brands. I'm not a watch snob or anything like that, although I do have a Breitling, but it doesn't really matter for me. For me, it's just whether I can enjoy a particular watch, regardless of the brand. As long as it's not a fashion brand, then I'm fine with it. So yeah, just arrived and I just came in the house and here I am unpacking this package. I only have one hand available, so I might need to fumble a bit with one hand because the other hand is filming. So let's give it a shot. I do have a knife prepared though, and try to open it. Please bear with me. Just rip it open, and here it goes. All right. A little box, nothing special, just carton, I don't care. Let's see what's inside. Another little box, open it, and here it is. All right. A green dial. It's already running. It's a nice heft. And let's open it. Please bear with me. One moment, please. I'm opening it right now. And here we are. Let's see. Still some wrapping around it. Seems fine, considering the money. A little bit below 40 euro it was, I believe, 37 something. The reason I picked this one because I never had a watch with a green dial. I would have preferred that the whole watch was in gold tone, but this combo was only available as it is with dual tone. Automatic, open wheel, a date complication. Case back. Again, apologies for the shitty filming because only one hand. The rotator, nice. No branding, okay. Clasp, nice straight. Braces feels actually good, even though the plastic is on. I still need to rip that off. Crown. Is there a marking on it? Let's see. Not sure what this says, I can't really make out, but it's fine. I like the dial, the little pattern on the dial. Okay, there's a little thing on it, I don't care. Okay, that's it. Maybe I will adjust it to size and make another video. Or now I can see it's a crown. Yeah, there it is. Nice. Anyways, come on, for 40 bucks. So what can happen? 40 bucks, you know. 40 bucks is one meal at a restaurant. Cool. Sweeping hand. All right. Thank you. See you. Bye.